Hi everyone, in today's video we will demonstrate how to lubricate your next gen and compact mirror arms. For demonstration purposes, we have shown this process on a bench, but you can perform this while it's installed on your vehicle. First, you will need to extend your mirrors into its furthest position. Then squeeze the mirror arms to unclip the covers. With some dry lubricant, spray the mirror arms as demonstrated. Do not spray the covers. Once this is complete, reassemble the mirror arms. Then extend and retract your mirror 4 to 5 times to work the lubricant in. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Clearview Towing Mirrors. Visit our website for more information, clearviewaccessories.com.au.